Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 86 of the Back to the Future Delorean build from Fanhome. This issue, I am going to be doing a little standalone part with no other big parts of the car required. We are building the details, including the emergency handle and the inside panel of the roof. Yeah, so I don't remember I don't remember is really the underlying theme, but there's an emergency handle which has got a light in it, which is obviously cabled up. So we're going to be putting bits in there, putting the cable light on there, and then another light ready for the interior light, I assume. And then that's pretty much it. A nice, short, self-contained build. Then next time, I'm assuming we're going to end up fitting this to the roof panel that we've already got and get in there. This is the last of this month's pack, but they're still coming out nice and quick. So the other one will be turning up in a couple of days, no doubt. So yeah. In behind the scenes, race to the finish. Location filming complete. Still a few present day scenes to film for Back to the Future Part 3. Yeah. At the end, it starts off obviously back in time, but then ends in the present, which is now the past. It was like 85, wasn't it? So yeah. Flea. Michael Peter Balzery, also known as Douglas J. Needles, also known as Flea. I don't know, it's his nemesis apparently. Cool, there we go. So yes, next issue, let's have a look what we're getting. The roof interior. Yeah, we're doing some more work on that. Fit the interior panel to your DeLorean's roof. What have we got? We've got some bulbs there, the connectors, and can't really tell exactly what they are, but that will be adding to this panel, and then obviously this panel adding to the car. Maybe not next time, but certainly in the next month. So let me get this out of the way. We'll get the parts looked at and get them fitted together. So the parts we have: a large plastic part with some nice moulding on there, some screws, some little decorative bits, bulb and bulb cover, and the emergency handle. I don't know, is that what you pull to when there's an emergency? I'm assuming that's not stock DeLorean part. But first of all, we're going to fit this little box onto, let's get this the same way around as it is in the picture, because then I can tell exactly what's going on. Going on there is a pin and screw arrangement. This is fairly common with all of these things. Get the pin through the hole, screw through there, and we're going to use a BP screw to put that together. Let's grab that. There. There we go. It's a start. It's a thing. I don't know what that is, but there we go. Now we're going to fit this into this bracket here. So the wire needs to come all the way through that bit. This is labelled 7. Obviously, when it comes time to plug them all together, labels are important. That goes all the way through there. Again, in and screw. This is also a BP screw. I'm going to have to drop that to get the screw out. I should have got extra screws out, but I didn't. There is only one left in that packet, so that will be spare. At the end of this episode, I will tidy away my bags of spares. I haven't needed any this time. I haven't needed any for a long time, actually, but there we go. So that's going to go in there. Room for the screw holes down the bottom there. The pin and the screw will go in there. Like so. It looks like routing for the other light cables were shaping of that. Let's have a look. We have got to put this going that way round over the big piece. There is a corner that will have to go that side because there's not room for it on the other side. Then this will go over the top of it. That way round. Over there like so. Get that just to go the right way round, which is the way round to the way I've got it. That one on there like that, and EP screws just as well because they're the only ones I've got left. 2 AP screws, one left. I put the paper back in there so I know it's an AP screw that's in that packet. And the screws will hold that bracket in place, which has got a nice hole in it ready for a bulb to go in. It's going to be like the just next to the windscreen. It'll be like the interior light there. Those tightened up just like so. And that is that. We've got the interior light on there, the light on that little box there. Obviously other things are going to be added to that probably next time. The windscreen obviously will be fitting here, so that's going to be the inside door spaces there. All good stuff. A nice quick easy build, this one. Some have been more complex, but it's nice to have a nice easy one from time to time. So that is that. I shall put this all aside until the next delivery arrives. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stick around for more part works and indeed more Delorean coming very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.